All right, topic number 1 on circles. Let's start off with the basics. X squared plus y squared equals 36. An equation like that has both x and y squared and an addition sign in between will be the equation of a circle. The number at the end dictates what the radius is going to be. This number at the end represents the radius squared. So the radius squared is 36. So the radius of the circle is 6. It is a lot like a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that's the kind of thinking that goes into making this an equation of a circle. These x's and y's here can help tell us what the center of the circle is going to be. And if there's no number being added or subtracted to the x and the y, the center is just simply 0, 0. For questions that are more complicated, like x squared plus y minus 9 squared equals 100, that'll be a situation where the center is 0 and positive 9. You reverse the signs when you're trying to locate the center of the circle. And the number at the end represents r squared. If r squared is 100, then r would be 10. All right, and then one last plain example. If we had x plus 4 squared, and adding to that we had y minus 8 squared equaled 64, then you should be able to tell me what the radius is. If it's 64 in the equation, the radius would be the square root, or it would be 8. With these numbers here, positive 4 and negative 8, I can tell that the center of the circle would be at negative 4, comma, positive 8 for the y-coordinate. All right, a few more examples should be all that you need. If you had x squared plus y squared equaled 15. It's a little bit different. The center would be 0, 0 again, but the radius would be an irrational number. The radius would be the square root of 15. So those are the sort of questions that you can be prepared for. Those are the easier type. There might be ones where they give you the information and they want the equation. And for ones like that, they would tell you that the center of the circle is located at, let's say, 4, negative 6. And if they wanted the radius to be, supposedly they wanted the radius to be 7, then you could build the equation from these three numbers. You would have to start off with x minus 4 squared to get the y-coordinate, to get the x-coordinate to be 4, and it would have to finish with y plus 6 to get the y-coordinate to be negative 6. The number at the end will be the radius squared, or 49, and that's how those go. All right, we'll keep on watching. I'll be giving more and more videos as we go through, short little videos showing you how to handle the most important questions on the geometry exam.